Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Shanghai green in mushroom and oyster sauce. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll start to blanch our vegetables. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add in a little bit of salt. This to let the vegetables retain the greenness. Add a little bit of oil also, so that it will be glossy, very nice. I'll be using Shanghai greens, 250 grams, cut into halves like this. You can use bok choy, broccoli, any vegetables that you want. Now the leaves cook very fast, but the stem is a lot slower. So I'm going to cook the base of the veg first, or rather the stem. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold the leaves like this, dip it in the water like this first, for approximately 10 seconds or so. Now if you can't stand the heat, you can always use a pair of chopsticks or tongs for this. Right? And you can just release them into the water, spread them out a little bit. Cook them to your desired doneness. This will take maybe like 10 seconds or even less, depending on the vegetables that you're using. Something like this will be good. The leaves have wilted and the stems are done. Let's just remove them and drain the water off. If you want to stop the cooking process, you can actually dunk them in cold water, but I like my dish a little bit on the hot and warm side, so I'm not going to do so. Just remove them from the water, turn off the heat and discard the water. And I'll show you how to make the sauce. We can plate this up now. Now we'll make our beautiful mushroom sauce. Heat up your pan or wok. Add in a suitable amount of oil. Add in 4 cloves of garlic chopped. I'm using medium heat, you can do the same. Just fry them until you can smell it. Once you can smell the garlic, we'll add in our mushroom. I'm using fresh shiitake mushroom, cut into small cubes like this, 100 grams. You can use any mushrooms that you like. We'll cook them until they wilt a little. To speed up the process, add a pinch of salt. Nothing too much, just a little bit. Keep moving them around. The salt will help to extract the moisture from the mushrooms. Now if the pan is too hot, just reduce the heat a little. You know that your mushrooms are done when they have shrunken a little, like this. Okay, now we add in our seasonings. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. If you do not have fish sauce, you can replace this with light soy sauce. Add in about half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well first. Oh, this is smelling really, really good. When you mix them up well, we add in our water. Add in 200 milliliters of water. You let this come to a boil and then boil them for another about 2 minutes or so, just to extract out the flavor from the mushrooms. Once it starts to boil, we'll still at medium heat boil this for another 1 minute, just to extract the flavor out from the mushrooms. I've been boiling this for about 1 or 2 minutes. Let's just give this sauce a taste. Wow, delicious. A little bit of pepper. Stir it up a little bit. We need to thicken this sauce with cornstarch solution. Add a little bit of cornstarch solution, little bit by little bit. Thicken it to the consistency that you want. Turn the heat up to medium-high. Final step, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. For our Muslim friend, please omit this. Splash it by the sides. Mix them up well. We'll pour this over the vegetables, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells absolutely delicious. Let's give this a big bite. The crunch from the Shanghai green is really good. The mushrooms, smooth and silky. Just the right savory. This is what I want. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Bye now.